Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be doing a beach view. For the sky first, I'm starting with a shade of light blue. This was a regular shade that I had ready-made. In case you do not have a light blue shade ready-made, you can mix any dark shade of blue along with a little amount of white. I'm leaving space for the tree trunks and adding blue, and on top of it I added some amount of white which I blended it onto the surface. Make sure you're very quick with the blending process if you're using acrylics. I added some more blue on the top and blended it down. As you can see, we have made here a dark to light gradient as we move from top to bottom. On the bottom side, I'm adding a watery mixture of white paint, which I'm blending towards the upward side. The lowermost parts of the sky should be lightest in color. Now for the sea, I'm once again using the shade light blue. I'm adding tiny details using a size 0 detail brush with white paint. For the sand, I'm using a mixture of white and brown. I mixed a tiny amount of brown to the previous shade to make a comparatively darker shade, and once again with a size 0 detail brush, I'm adding some uneven tiny lines for the details on the sand. I blended them using my fingers, though this step is pretty unnecessary. I added some more brown to the previous shade to make another darker shade and added some more details with it. For the tree trunks, I'm using the same shade which we had used for the base of the sand, and I had mixed some white into it. With a size 0 detail brush, I'm adding details on the right side of all the tree trunks using brown paint. I'm adding very tiny details using very light pressure on my hand. And then from the right side, I'm bringing in some details towards the center of the tree trunk. I also added a thin stroke of brown paint towards the left side. Repeat the same process for all the trees. For the minivan here, I'm using a light shade of turquoise which I made by mixing light blue, a shade of green and some white. I mixed a little amount of green to the previous shade to make a comparatively darker shade, and with that I'm adding some details to the minivan. For the glass windows, I'm adding light blue. Towards the left side and towards the right side, some uneven tiny details using dark blue. I used orange for the headlights and black for the tires. Now for the leaves of the trees, I mixed some green to the shade which we had used for the minivan, and with the same shade, I'm adding the leaves here. Add the leaves using very light strokes, that is, less pressure on your hand. I mixed some more amount of green to the previous shade to make a comparatively darker shade, and I'm using it for some details on the leaves. Now for the final details, I'm using olive green. If you do not have this shade, you can use the darkest shade of green that you have, and if not, you can mix some blue or a tiny amount of black to the already existing green you have. I'll be doing some calligraphy here. When you have to make a darker stroke, that is the downward stroke, you have to apply more pressure on your brush pen, which should be working in a slanting position to your sheet. As you can see, the upward stroke is thin and the downward stroke here becomes thick. Once again, thin stroke. The upward stroke is thin and the downward stroke became thick. Once again, a thick stroke, then a thinner upward stroke, and as it comes down, it thickens. More pressure will result in a thicker stroke, and lighter pressure will result in thinner strokes. I'm adding some birds with the same brush pen. Here you are with your acrylic beach view painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.